Are you going to pull it? Oh, I don't think I can watch.
Ow.
Oh, that one hurt. Sydney, what should she do?
Wiggle your tooth really hard, then try pulling it.
Then try pulling it. Oh. Did you get it?
Yep.
Oh, yay! Good job, Anna! Let me see. Oh. What was that? What the heck was that?
Oh, no, I'm not doing.
Anna, that was silly. Don't throw your tooth in the sink now. What the heck? Don't spit it out. Put it in the sink. In the sink, not on the towel. You're going to lose your tooth now. Where is your tooth?
Right there.
There it is. Okay. All right. Yay, Anna.
Anna. Spit it.
She said yucky. Go wash your hands. Yay.